Sure. My wife and I had two twin girls, and we were the pretty typical family for the first 2 years. And when Riley was 2 years old, she developed a brain tumor and spent 6 months in the hospital with a lot of surgeries, 12 neurosurgeries to remove the tumor. And during that time, not only did Riley was having the surgeries, but my wife was pregnant with my son Max. So in 1998, we had a family of one daughter and another daughter, her twin, who was just coming out of the hospital from 12 neurosurgeries and completely paralyzed, and a brand new baby son. And that pretty much changed the dynamic of our family. We went from being the atypical family living in the suburbs, doing all the things that a young family does, to really changing our lives to focus on Riley getting healthy, Riley getting better, and Riley gaining her skills back, because at that particular time after the surgeries, she was like a newborn infant, pretty much similar to my son Max, who just born and couldn't do anything. When she got out of the hospital, she was bedridden. She couldn't breathe on her own, she couldn't eat on her own, and all she could really do was move her eyes. And doctors hoped that she would relearn to do everything through the plasticity of the brain, which is really great with kids. And so from there we had a new focus in our lives and a new journey that we were on, and that was kind of the beginning of our journey as we kind of moved forward. And through the years we worked really diligently, and that's kind of where dance entered Riley's life. For the longest time she had therapy sessions, just like we would all have therapy sessions. We're trying to relearn how to do things. But when you're trying to teach a 3 or 4-year-old how to do things, they don't want to do exercises. So my wife came up with the idea of actually teaching her how to dance. Riley was crawling at that particular time, and she saw a commercial on the Nutcracker, and she stopped, and we were sitting on the couch, and she stopped, and she just was mesmerized by it. And I asked her the question, I said, "Do you like that?" And she said she wanted to do that. So from then on, it was my wife's quest to get her to learn how to dance. And first it was my wife teaching her how to dance, and then finding a studio that would accept her to learn how to dance. And from then on, she started walking, and the story goes on to where she did her first ballet recital when she was 6 years old.